Imagine erasers that last for centuries, never wear out, and can fix even the most stubborn marks. Scientists have discovered a secret to eraser longevity, and it's not just about the materials used. For centuries, erasers have been a staple in every artist's and student's toolkit, but their durability has been a mystery. What if you knew the secret to making your erasers last for decades, not just years? Well, it's not about the type of rubber or the manufacturing process, but rather the clever way erasers are designed. Erasers work by using friction to remove graphite marks from paper. But what if I told you there's a better way? This phenomenon occurs when the eraser is made with a unique combination of materials that enhance its abrasive properties. The key is to create an eraser that's both gentle on the paper and tough on the marks. Imagine an eraser that's like a gentle breeze on a summer day, effortlessly removing even the toughest marks. But that's not the strangest part. This eraser can even fix stubborn marks that have been there for years. Wait until you hear what comes next. This eraser can be made from a variety of materials, including recycled rubber and biodegradable plastics. And then something unexpected happened. Scientists discovered that the shape of the eraser plays a crucial role in its effectiveness. It turns out that an eraser with a unique shape can remove marks more efficiently than a traditional round eraser. But how does it work? Well, it's quite simple really. The unique shape allows for maximum contact with the paper. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of information. That's what this eraser can do for your marks. This eraser is like a tiny artist's brush, delicately removing marks with precision and care. And the best part, this eraser is not just limited to marks on paper. It can even be used to remove stubborn stains on fabric. But that's not all. This eraser can also be used to create unique textures and patterns on various surfaces. For example, imagine using this eraser to create a beautiful, intricate design on a piece of wood or metal. The possibilities are endless with this amazing eraser. And the best part is that it's eco-friendly. So, what does this mean for you? It means that you can say goodbye to boring, ineffective erasers and hello to a world of creativity and possibility. This eraser is not just a tool, but a key to unlocking your full potential and exploring new ways of artistic expression. And the impact is not just limited to artists and students. This eraser can be used in a variety of industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. Just imagine being able to remove stubborn marks and stains with ease, without damaging the surface or using harsh chemicals. This eraser is a game changer, and it's time to learn more about its incredible abilities. So, what are you waiting for? Join me on this journey of discovery and learn more about this amazing eraser. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our community of curious learners. Let me know in the comments what you think about this eraser and how you plan to use it in your own creative projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.